No one in the country has forgotten what Prime Minister Modi told the nation about the Chinese incursion last year.
न वहां कोई हमारी सीमा में घुस आया है, न ही कोई घुसा हुआ है, न ही हमारी कोई पोस्ट किसी दूसरे के कब्जे में है।
Ever since then, China has been increasing its forces along LAC and has also been strengthening its position by building infrastructure at locations of prime concern to our country. Our Prime Minister, it seems, has decided not to even utter the word China, despite how tense the situation has become recently. The army chief visited forward posts in Ladakh about a week ago and raised concerns on the troops built up along LAC.
The Chinese have deployed in considerable numbers all across eastern Ladakh, and not only in eastern Ladakh but all across the northern front, right up to our eastern command also. So definitely there has been an increase in their deployment in the forward areas, which remains of course a matter of concern for us.
He also expressed hope of some improvement in the situation by way of dialogue with the Chinese. Talks were finally held with the Chinese on 10th October, but they failed miserably. It is worrisome that while our army tries to warn the Prime Minister of the gravity of the situation, Prime Minister Modi either doesn't understand the intensity of the problem or chooses to ignore it. PM Modi, who has always bragged about his foreign policy skills, has failed miserably when it comes to China and has allowed the situation at LAC to become incredibly dangerous. The country wants answers to its concerns regarding the Chinese occupation of Indian territory, and the Prime Minister must answer now.